This Camiysn Gaming Creamy keyboard and mouse combo brings a full-size 104-key layout designed for users who want a complete and comfortable setup for gaming and daily typing. The keyboard focuses on a smooth and soft keystroke experience, often described as creamy, giving each press a light and consistent feel that helps reduce fatigue during long sessions. Whether you are playing competitive games or working on long documents, the response feels steady and reliable enough for everyday performance. The full-size 104-key design is one of its strongest advantages because it includes a dedicated number pad, function keys, and full navigation controls. This makes it suitable not only for gaming, but also for productivity tasks like data entry, browsing, and office work. The layout feels familiar and easy to adapt to, especially for users switching from standard keyboards. It delivers a practical balance between gaming convenience and everyday usability without feeling cramped or overly compact. Paired with the keyboard is a matching gaming mouse that completes the combo. The mouse is designed to provide smooth tracking and responsive movement, helping maintain control during fast-paced gameplay. Together, the keyboard and mouse create a unified setup that feels consistent and practical for both beginners and casual gamers. The combination is aimed at users who want a ready-to-use package without needing to buy separate peripherals. The overall build focuses on comfort and long-term use, making it suitable for extended gaming sessions or office work. The creamy typing sensation adds a softer, more relaxed input experience while still keeping enough key feedback for accurate typing. This makes it appealing for users who prefer quieter and smoother keystrokes compared to traditional stiff mechanical feel. For gaming performance, it handles casual and mid-level gameplay well, offering stable input and decent responsiveness for most popular titles. It may not target high-end competitive setups, but it delivers a dependable experience for everyday gamers. The plug-and-play nature of the combo also makes setup simple and hassle-free, allowing users to start using it immediately without extra configuration. Overall, this combo stands out as a practical and comfortable option for anyone looking for a complete keyboard and mouse set. It focuses on smooth typing, essential functionality, and ease of use, making it a solid choice for both gaming and general daily tasks.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.